If you want a stronger body, you eat well. If not, you become a prisoner of your own disease. Same thing with business. If you want stronger sales, sharpen your mind. If not, you'll become a prisoner of your finances. Now listen. Sa marketing may tatlong tao. Una, the giver. Sila yung puno ng info, puro pitch ng benefits and promotions, and pushes you to buy. Pero minsan, puro talk lang. Kulang sa connection. Pangalawa, the learner. Yung marunong makinig. Hindi lang para sumagot, kundi para umintindi. Alam niya ang timing, alam niya ang budget mo, alam din niya ang priorities mo. Kaya pag nag-offer siya sa'yo, sakto. Hindi lang produkto, kundi solusyon. Then there is this elite marketers. Hindi lang sila nagbebenta ng produkto. They sell transformation. They don't just talk about promos and benefits and inclusions. They build trust, not just sales, but they talk about purpose. They don't just sell destinations, they sell experiences, identity, confidence, and freedom. Because people don't just buy products, they buy a better version of themselves. So ang tanong, saan ka sa tatlo? Etong katotohanan. People have the right to choose. And if they don't choose you, stop whining. Instead of asking, bakit puro pakot ng pakot tapos sa iba naman bibili? Ask yourself,
paano ba ako gagaling? Bakit kaya ng iba? Bakit hindi ko kaya?
Focus your energy on growth. Upgrade your skills. Learn modern strategies at mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. Kasi the only way na hindi ka maging prisoner ng excuses mo and finances mo is to discipline yourself regardless of how you feel today. Focus on the long-term plan and become obsessed with growth. Remember, you can't sell transformation if you refuse to transform yourself.